Winona Area Public Schools and Winona County are partnering to provide a support program for teen parents in the school district. The program is called PAGES. It's an acronym which stands for Provide, Aspire, Graduate, Educate, and Success. It is based on a successful program being run in Ramsey County. Winona Area Public Schools Community Education Director Margaret Shield said the program, which was just begun this year, is designed to support teen parents to help them to be better parents and help them to continue their education.
The county was very supportive in taking a look at how we might work together. And I think the cool part about this is, we have district staff in place. Ann Riebel, a teen parent educator, Shala Corey, our baby facilitator, our baby connection facilitator, and Rebecca Ellingheisen, who works with Family Based, who are all supporting young parents. And the county has two social workers, Jen Korberg and Sherry Brecky, who have been working with young parents, and then public health nursing provides that medical kind of support. So the players were all in place. It was a matter of how do we strategically and intentionally kind of envelop young parents. We first started talking about minor parents, and minor parents by law are those parents 17 years old or younger. And our Baby Connections facilitator is the first contact from the hospital if there is a teen parent and makes that contact. But as we talked about it, we have parents who are 18, 19, or 20 who are also struggling. So we talked about opening it up for any young parent, 21 and under, who's either looking to finish secondary or moving on to post-secondary. And I think the intent is really to support them first as parents, to provide some parent education and support, but also then support them so they can be successful in school or successful in looking for employment.
A key piece of the puzzle for a teen to finish high school is securing daycare for their baby. Shield says PAGES will help them find care as well as assist them in finding out if they qualify for child care subsidies through Child Care Resource and Referral. Another key component is making sure mom and baby have proper housing.
Some of the teen parents live with their parents, some do not. So they need housing, affordable housing, transportation. The bus the school buses will bring teen parents in to the child care center, but for teen parents that need it for other things like medical appointments, that kind of thing. So that's, I think, the other key piece is helping to connect them with community resources and eliminating any access barriers, whether it's transportation or an uncomfortableness about making the approach to the organization, that kind of thing.
According to Shield, PAGES has already begun to make an impact in the district.
We currently have 13 enrolled, 12 are young women, and we have a father. That I should say that it's open to both mothers and fathers. I think that one of the things we just talked about is it will be a couple of years down the road, 2 to 3 years down the road, to see if we're having an impact on graduation. I think overall, though, what we're hearing from the teen parents that are involved is they've been looking for this kind of support, and the support's been there, but it's been kind of piecemeal, I guess. And again, this is much more of an intentional approach. So I think the response has been very positive.
So will a program like PAGES make a difference in Winona area schools? Well, if it's anything like the Ramsey County program, the answer is yes.
I think their graduation rate was 35 or 40%, and it went up to at least 70%. It was significant, which I think is one of the things we were looking at is, oh my gosh, that's huge. But again, as we talk about, and as you talk about, some of the kinds of issues and things that all parents have to deal with, but if you're a young parent and struggling with that, how do you focus on school, or how, getting your baby ready, getting your baby on the bus, getting to school? I mean, it takes that much more to get them there. So we're really trying to support them and eliminate what some of those barriers might be.
Since the program simply utilizes resources already offered by the county and school district, PAGES requires no additional funding. For questions about PAGES, contact Shala Corey at Community Education. 494-0900 is her number, or contact Winona County at 457-6500 and simply ask for the PAGES program.